old oak pollard here is a good example where we've tried to manage it for biodiversity as well as for the tree condition and the safety. So when we first did the survey, this tree was dying back quite heavily, and it also had some limbs over the footpath that we were concerned about. So what we did was to get the tree surgeon to reduce it back to deal with the safety issue, but we've also we've left areas of dead wood so that will help with the biodiversity, because there are different species of beetle and other insects that live in different parts of the tree in different dead wood habitats, but also habitats at different heights. So it's not just that it's dead wood, it's also where it is.
It's not quite dead. There's still the odd.
No, this tree is still alive, even though we haven't
a dead tree.
Yeah, we haven't dealt with the ivy so much, so it's quite severely ivy clad, and the ivy is starting to outcompete the alive branches that are left on that.
Is there an argument for saying we should get up there and remove the ivy?
I think in this case now the ivy is at such a point that it's, we'll lose the tree, and actually this is an historic tree and we want to keep it, so we would look at taking the ivy out of this, and there's plenty of ivy on the site, so it's not like it's not like we're losing too much, because the ivy is a really good late nectar source for insects. And this pollard will start to regenerate. In fact, you can see that the epicormic growth that the tree surgeons have left has got really good vigour this year compared to how it was last year. So that shows
that the work's been beneficial.
Yeah, and I think if we just take the ivy out, that will give a bit more light to the stem and to the epicormic growth that's on the inside of what's left of the crown, and that will allow the tree to recover, and then we can start to look at managing that again in the long term.